I got this, I got this. Hey, what's up, BBC Cribs? Welcome. Hey, what's up, BBC Cribs? Welcome to my humble mansion. I'm glad you all came to visit me. I really got dressed up for you guys, so come on in. I'm about to show you guys around, you know. Everyone's been insisting on a house tour, so I thought I'd finally give you guys one. Let's go ahead and close the door behind you. All right, so, you know, this is where I be staying. This is where all the action happens. So right here, I'll start you guys off with something that you see as soon as you walk in. We got the ancient clock. All right, so then we got this rare plant. Go ahead and make sure they see the whole thing because they're going to want to see this. This right here was like $10,000 per leaf because it's imported straight from Portugal. And then right there, that's the secret room. We don't open that. Yeah. Right here, this is the gaming room. This is one of the mini rooms. As you can see, you don't want the smoke on some Fortnite. Then in here, this is the spare bedroom. Let me show you guys the view real quick. Any moment now, this will be opened up. You know what? Forget it. Come with me. We got a lot of rooms to cover. Yep. This right here, special room. Like, can you show them? No, that room is too special. They'll never know what's in that room. We'll show you guys we'll give you guys the kitchen tour later. But right now, this is my bedroom. Ready for this? Don't mind the dog on the bed. You're lucky she's sleeping right now because she's actually very vicious. She might have attacked you. This right here is the grandma chair where I spend most of my time right here, literally sitting like this, making millions. And then I also look at my view. Come and check out this view. BBC Crib community, you have to check this out. So that is my $1 million pond with my. To put the camera back on me. There's endless amounts of huge fish in there. I'll show you guys that later. Each fish in there was $80,000 each because they're imported straight from. Now, come with me. We're gonna check out the bed. This is where all the action happens.
I actually really want to lay on it.
Come on, come try it out. Hey, I didn't see you guys there. All right, this is where I spend all my day, right here in the bathroom. Big, long mirror, double sink action just in case, you know, I want to wash my feet and my hands at the same time. Then we got the tub over here. I'll typically be in here like this. Not even any water on, just taking a shower dry. Cut that out. I would turn the water on, but, you know, I got places to be. We still got more room to cover. I take my showers, and come and check this out because this is the most important part of the whole entire video. So this is where I take my showers. I actually literally have this designer stool in here. Make sure they see the stool because I like to be time efficient. So this is where I take my showers and take a dump at the same time. Yeah. I literally don't even have a toilet.
Why have you guys not liked this video yet? And subscribe. What's in that room?
This room? This room is very top secret. We're not even going to talk about that room. Come with me. You guys weren't supposed to see this. Repair guy's coming tomorrow. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Edit that part out. We're not going to show him that room, all right? Okay. And then come on this way. Follow me. We still got a whole kitchen tour.
Is this on live?
No, it's going to be on BBC Cribs. Okay. I'll give you guys a fridge tour. Here's the fridge tour. As you can see, jam-packed with goodies. All right, so I told you guys I wasn't going to show you this room. But since this is BBC Cribs, I thought I'd give you guys an exclusive look on what's in here. Just make sure not to let this go anywhere on social media, this room. All right, here we go. So this is where, wow, go ahead and check that out. This is where all the whips are. This is my garage. My garage. Welcome to my garage. So this is what I be rolling in. This right here. This is what I be whipping in. Oh yeah. Where I get to 0 to 60 in 1 hour. Tops. We're out here. I be cycling so hard on that. People be on the road. I be zooming past them. So this is one of the mini whips right here. You know, I be whipping this out on the daily. If I ever want to, you know, just destroy everyone on the road, go and whip her out. Now that I've secretly let you guys in the secret room, come on with me back to the regularly scheduled programming. I'm about to show you guys the downstairs. So we take some steps. All right, so now we're headed downstairs. This is where all that action happens for real. I said that about every room because the action happens in every room. All right, so come this way. This right here is the bro squad. This right here is the real area. So this right here is the training zone. You know, I gotta train for my next fight. You know, the next person that challenges me in a boxing match, I'll go ahead and destroy them. I'll be training here. This is where all the action happens for real. I'll be training here, wake up at 5 a.m., hit the bags for like 5 hours, and then keep it going. This right here, another secret room. Oh, film that. Are you catching it?
Yeah.
That right there is Panther right there. You know, I call her Panther because she reminds me of Black Panther. Look at her. Be careful not to get too close. She's crazy. All right, so we're about to come into another room. What's in this room? Some rooms, I don't even know what's in here. In what? Okay, we're gonna open that room. This right here is where we keep all the secret supplies.
Can you show them? There.
All right, so that's enough of that room because it's too good. All right, here's another room. Not gonna show that one off. Very secret door, once again. All right, this right here is the next room I'm gonna show you guys. This is actually where I was sleeping last night. Every single night I switched rooms just to spice things up. So this is where I was. We got the bed. Let me show you guys something. Stay right there. In case an intruder ever tries something. You know, I'll slice them up real quick. Turn them straight into sushi. On my bags, because I actually just landed yesterday. Because, you know, I be traveling the world all the time. Wake up, do about 10,000 of these. All right, that's enough of that room. All right, that's all I'm willing to show you guys for right now because, you know, can't show you guys everything. Maybe next time when you guys give me more paycheck. But I thought I'd show you guys a clip of me training for my next competition so I can show you guys what my next boxing match is gonna look like. And yeah, let's get it. Got some other little things to show you. Oh wait, we didn't even show them the backyard, but we'll get to that in a second. All right, let me show you guys the backyard real quick. This is one of the final stops of this video. All right, welcome to the backyard. As you can see, got some beautiful decorations. You know, I like to come out here, hear the birds chirping. I got a humongous backyard. And I sit right here on this soft couch and just here we go. Let's do the next stop. I'm gonna show you guys my beautiful pond. Beautiful walkway right here. Got my ginormous fish. Go and show them the fish. Like I said before, 80,000 each. What's actually over here? Come with me, let's find out what's over here. Own backyard garden right here. As you can see, just started. But we do got some special plants growing. There's the fireplace. Like to burn a fire in there every night. You know, I got some plants growing in that red bucket. All right, thank you BBC Cribs for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys checking out my humble mansion, and I'll see you guys again. And for everyone watching this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get it! And that was it.